I have had occasion to fly over the Himalayas in recent months, and I was shocked to see the extent of deforestation that has taken place. Stop what was once all greenery has been reduced to barren rocks. Stop such denudation and the resultant soil erosion pose a grave danger to our future. Stop floods and droughts are caused by thoughtless destruction of forests. Stop we should ensure that in our zeal to bring more land under the plough, we do not disturb the delicate balance of nature. Stop we need to create new forest belts to be maintained in perpetuity. Stop I am happy that the state governments are now imposing restrictions on the felling of trees and preventing further denudation of forest areas. Stop. But this is largely a matter for community involvement and initiative, and I hope our people, particularly in the rural areas, will take up this work in right earnest. Stop. If today many people still go without enough food, it is not because of lack of food but rather because of lack of purchasing power. Stop. Hence, our agricultural plans will have to aim at generating more and more employment in the rural areas in addition to providing food for our growing population. Stop para. Honorable Speaker, Sir, my indirect tax proposals aim to promote exports, boost domestic manufacturing, enhance domestic value addition, encourage green energy and mobility. Stop. A simplified tax structure with fewer tax rates helps in reducing compliance burden and improving tax administration. Stop. I propose to reduce the number of basic customs duty rates on goods other than textiles and agriculture from 21 to 13. Stop. As a result, there are minor changes in the basic custom duties, cesses and surcharges on some items including toys, bicycle, automobiles and naphtha. Stop. To avoid cascading of taxes on blended compressed natural gas, I propose to exempt excise duty on GST paid compressed biogas contained in it. Stop. To further provide impetus to green mobility, customs duty exemption is being extended to import of capital goods and machinery required for manufacture of lithium ion cells for batteries used in electric vehicles. Stop. As a result of various initiatives of the government, including the phased manufacturing program, mobile phone production in India has increased from 5.8 crore units valued at about rupees 18,000 crore in 2014-15 to 31 crore units valued at over rupees 3 lakh crore in the last financial year. Stop para. To further deepen domestic value addition in manufacture of mobile phones, I propose to provide relief in customs duty on import of certain parts and inputs like camera lens, and continue the concessional duty on lithium ion cells for batteries for another year. Stop similarly to promote value addition in manufacture of televisions. I propose to reduce the basic customs duty on parts of open sales of TV panels to 2.5% stop to rectify inversion of duty structure and encourage manufacturing of electric kitchen chimneys. The basic customs duty on electric kitchen chimney is being increased from 7.5% to 15%, and that on heat coils for these is proposed to be reduced from 20% to 15%. Stop. Denatured ethyl alcohol is used in chemical industry. I propose to exempt basic customs duty on it. Stop. This will also support the ethanol blending program and facilitate our endeavor for energy transition. Basic customs duty is also being reduced on acid grade fuel from 5% to 2.5% to make the domestic fluorochemicals industry competitive. Stop. Further, the basic customs duty on crude glycerin for manufacturing medicine is proposed to be reduced to 2.5%. Stop.